Hello everyone, in today's video we'll guide you through how to remove TubeBuddy from the YouTube channel. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, let's remove the TubeBuddy extension from your browser. The process might differ slightly depending on your browser, but the general steps are similar. Here's how to do it in Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Go to More Tools and then select Extensions. Scroll down the list of extensions until you find TubeBuddy. Click the toggle switch next to TubeBuddy to turn it off, or simply click the Remove button. Next, we need to disconnect your YouTube channel from TubeBuddy's servers. This ensures they no longer have access to your channel data. Head over to the TubeBuddy website and log into your account. Click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Look for a section related to accounts or connections. Find your YouTube channel and click the option to remove or disconnect it. If you have a paid TubeBuddy subscription, you'll need to cancel it before you can remove your channel. That's it. You've successfully removed TubeBuddy from your YouTube channel and browser. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.